Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write basic patterns for cursive writing. So the last video, we have to learn the cursive patterns, that is basic patterns, slanting line as well as forward vowel and backward vowel shape. So today we will learn the how to write the down curve. So this is a down curve. So here this is a direction. So top to down. So let's start top to down. From this line touch to this line. So the pencil should be very sharp. So like this. So we have to practice trace these dotted lines first, like this. So it's a down curve. So from this to this line. So like this. This is a down curve. Like this. This is a down curve. So like this. So this line to this line. The down curve. This line to this line. Okay. So to draw like this. Top to down. So down curve, top to down. So top to down, like this. Top to down. Okay. So next is the over curve. So this is a over curve down to top. So this is a direction. So start from this direction. So over curve down to top. So like this. Down to top. So first we trace these dotted lines like this. So over curve. This is a over curve down to top. Down to top. So over curve down to top, like this. Over curve down to top. So like this. Down to top. Okay. So I will show you this line to start from this line to touch to this line. This is a over curve down to top. So down to top, like this. Like this. Down to top. So like this. Over curve down to top. Like this. Okay. Over curve down to top and top to down curve, top to down. Okay. So thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.